Today we're taking it back in the days, and this is plantain pepper soup with catfish. All right, keep watching if this interests you. The benefits of unripe plantain can never be overemphasized. Plantains has an ulcer healing property, rich in iron. So many benefits of plantain. You can also use it to manage your blood sugar level. You can also dry it, turn it to powder and use it for your fufu, plantain fufu and all of that. Now, let's begin. After peeling your plantains, wash properly to avoid sand. Add to your pot, okay? Allow it to boil for 10 minutes before you introduce any fish of choice. I used catfish for this recipe because I love the taste it gives whenever I'm using it to make pepper soup. After adding the fish, I introduced pepper, covered it, and brought it to a boil for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I went back and added crayfish. Okay, I didn't pound that crayfish, that's shrimps. I just added it and then I stirred it together to combine and cover it again to boil for another 10 minutes. Now there's something that happens whenever you're cooking plantain unripe, okay? When it's on fire, it looks as if it's done, okay? But when you remove it, it becomes hard. So you have to cook down your plantain to make it very, very soft, okay? So that when it cools down, it will be okay for you to eat. I used nor cube, okay? I added nor cube, added salt, everything was fine. Stirred again to combine here, and then I'll introduce scent leaf. Scent leaves makes the difference in your pepper soup, and the health benefits of scent leaf is something else, okay? Very medicinal and nice. It gives your pepper soup that local taste, and I know you love it. So the plantain is properly cooked. We're going to remove it and set. If this is the first time you're seeing our channel, please do well to subscribe. And if you are my returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. I do appreciate your support. And if you don't like to be on the extra, okay, you can save and enjoy just with the pepper soup. But where I am from, we don't eat yam or plantain that way. So I'm going to do it the local way we enjoy it right now. I removed the plantain, added it into a bowl. Then I, pieces them like I you saw what I did, right? There is oba, onions, fresh pepper, and I will add a bit of salt, and then I'll introduce oil into it. If you eat your plantain or your yam this way, you will always come back to this. This was so delicious and beautiful. I and my family enjoyed it and we love it, right? Will you be trying this? If you will, please let me get it in the comment section and type I love plantain with pepper soup. And this meal was so filling. Of course, you know that plantain is always very heavy. And I dished it, and we enjoyed it with a pepper soup. I hope you love it and you will like, share, and comment. Thank you for always coming back and thank you for watching. Do have a pleasant day.